In this project, the major challenge faced from the customer was to have a seamless integration between the advanced access control and CCTV surveillance system. This was very well achievable from the Matrix using their softwares and hardwares.
Here, customer was looking for an integrated solution for access control and CCTV with a common platform for the monitoring, where they can monitor both the access control and CCTV over a single screen, notification on case of exceptional cases. Okay. The major challenge which we faced during this implementation was on-wave compatibility of the camera, as every 1 minute the camera stream was getting dropped. However, with the strong support from the Matrix R&D and product development team, we could achieve the end results. Inshallah, hopefully we'll achieve the customer's expectation for an seamless integrated solution for CCTV and access control. We do realize that the second phase is going to be even more challenging. However, we have the confidence to get this covered with a similar support and efforts.